3, 2, 1, start. Sir, at the various outset, one is expected to refer to the situation regarding literacy in this country, full stop. It is an alarming state of things that literacy has reached only 30%, full stop. At this rate, I do not know when we will achieve the target of making the entire country literate, full stop. If we cannot make appreciable progress in this direction, I think we should make all efforts at least to have compulsory primary education for all children up to 11 years of age as directed by the Constitution, full stop. In this regard, the government are reported to have taken up some schemes, full stop. I would only like to suggest that in view of the fact that the progress so far in this regard has been very slow in trying to implement a massive program of compulsory primary education, we must not spend too much money on building, full stop. I would advise the government to utilize the existing school buildings, have them improved if necessary, and have 2 or 3 shifts in the same building, utilizing the same equipment and employing the unemployment graduates or the unemployed educated people in the rural areas and also in the towns to isolate this program of compulsory primary educations, full stop. Change paragraph. Now the main point I would like to stress in a complete overhauling of the educational system in the country, full stop. It is really a matter of regret that even after 20 years of independence, we continue that system which was introduced and built by the British to serve their own interest, full stop. I am amazed why no attention has been paid so far by anybody to the necessity of overhauling the entire system, full stop. Now, some time back, my friend posed the question to me, what do you mean by overhauling? When I say overhauling, I mean overhauling in the matter of curriculum, in the matter of content of teaching, in the methods of teaching, and also in the examination system, full stop. Now, it is not possible in the course of a discussion like this to go into details or put forth a scheme before the House, full stop. I shall only lay down certain broad principles which should guide us in overhauling the educational system in this country, full stop. Change paragraph. The first principle in the matter of education, right from the bottom to the top, is that there should be all round development of the personality of the student, full stop. It will not do to teach the student just to read the textbooks, commit it to memory, and then vomit it in the examination hall while answering their questions, full stop, the teaching inside the class and the students' extracurricular activities, the social and cultural functions, his association and identification with the committee around all these things must be so organized as to develop the all round personality of the student. Full stop, change paragraph. Secondly, the student should be attained to ideas right from the bottom. Full stop. Today in this country, socialism, circularism, democracy, and national integrity are no longer party slogans. Full stop. These have become national objectives. Full stop. Now, if you want really to build a socialist patterns of society in this country, the spirit and the principle must be infused into the minds of the students right from the bottom. Full stop. Thank you. Change paragraph. Dear sirs, in reply to your letter of yesterday, we beg to inform that the invoice and the bond of agreement were forwarded to you by first post on Saturday morning under restricted post to your usual address. Full stop. We are therefore surprised to learn from your above referred letter that they have not yet reached you. Full stop. We will make necessary agreements at our end, and in the meantime, if you receive the letter, kindly inform us by telegram at once. Full stop. Change paragraph. Further to our letter of the 27th Utilimo and your reply to the same, we have written to the architects pressing them to give the matter their early attention and to prepare the drawing at the earliest. Full stop. On receipt of the drawing, we shall submit the same to the municipal authorities for approval. Full stop. With respect to your suggestions, it is our considered opinion that there will not be much difficulty in getting them incorporated at the stage of construction, and hence we would request to keep the matter aside for the present time. Full stop. Change paragraph. As for the finishings, we are just now writing to the decorators to call on you with advance invitation for a detailed discussion, and we request you to send us a copy of the minutes of the discussion for our necessary action. Full stop. Change paragraph. Assuring you of our best services at all times. Yours faithfully. Exercise over.